welcome to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial I will show you how to use the Resample Curve Node. Let's get started. I've deleted the default cube. Let's add a curve. Go over curve, then go to the bottom over curve profiles. Let's add cycloid like this. As you can see here, hit the new button. Let's add the Resample Curve Node. Make it like this, and as you can see, this node creates a new curve with more of your points that looks as much as possible the same as a curve. It is referring to use this, for example, when you want to create more detailed displacement. For example, let's set it to 10 as shown here. And as you can see here, it's gonna be fitting this curve that we have created. Let's explain a little bit. With Resample Curve Node, you change the resolution just like this, and you can see what's happening in real time to change the resolution of the curve. And that's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching.